Slam on it.
So we're about to hop on a flight for a car. Not the first time we've hopped on a flight for a car. We're at the Long Beach airport. It is so chill at this airport. I love it. Landed in Oakland and now gonna take an Uber to this dealer. Doing the deal. Jessica's
Moving paper.
All right, we're in the back service area and here it is. GT4. So sick. Everything seems to check out. I was just paint metering it, talking to the guy, just checking it out for a few more minutes, making sure everything is perfect. Check this interior. Full thing is clear broad everywhere. Fire extinguisher, carbon buckets, cool accents, illuminated door sills. They're not illuminated right now, but that lights up. Carbon, Alcantara, red poles, sick. Manual, of course. All right, so here it is. Ignore that. We're gonna have to cut that off. It's a legal thing now. I'll cut those off as soon as we leave here. Sweet. All right, let's grab some B-roll. The GT car going through a toll in the rain. Okay, it's $6.
Slam on it.
It's too wet.
Your window.
Alright, so in the GT4, just on the highway getting out of there, but it took a while. They had some stuff they had to figure out. They were selling like 4 cars at the same time, so we had to wait a while. But yeah, GT4, I'm pretty pumped. I've wanted one of these for a while since I first drove one. It should be an awesome car. I want to start like taking it to the track and stuff like that. I'm thinking to do a separate video after this, like more detailing the specifics of the car and also talking about the deal, like actually breaking down all the numbers, like what I paid, how the, you know, financing, whatever, how all that works, and really diving into that stuff if you guys are interested. So do let me know if that's interesting, but really breaking down that and how I think about these purchases and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, I'm really glad this one finally worked out. I'm really happy with this particular one and everything checked out. You know, everything's clean about it. So GT4s are fucking really amazing driver's cars. I already had the Cayman S, but this is like the Cayman S times a million. So really happy with this. Also, hopefully you can hear me. It's really loud in here. It's kind of like drone-y. The car sounds amazing. Plus we're on the highway, so hopefully this audio isn't just like the worst thing ever. Sorry if it is. Forgive me. But yeah, hopefully some of those clips were good. I think I'll probably, once I get back home and I take off that stupid front license plate and then I get it cleaned up from the rain again after the drive and all of that, then I can take some really good clips and really break down those numbers specifically about the car. So that's probably coming soon. By the time you're seeing this, I'm probably at Ecom Hub Summit in Vancouver, and after that I'm gonna be in Portland for around a week, Portland, Oregon. So if you're in Portland, let me know. I'm trying to get together a meetup, and this video probably won't be in time for the LA meetup, but hopefully you're in the Facebook group. Get in the Facebook group either way. Let me know about that Portland meetup in there. I'm trying to schedule that, and hopefully see you guys at Ecom Hub Summit. Let me know what you thought of this video. Hopefully you like the car. Thumbs up, leave some comments, and let me know if you want to see the full breakdown and all the details and all of that. But thanks so much for watching. See ya. guys, here it is. GT4.